Hey guys, welcome to How To channel, and in today's video we'll learn how you can use motion tracking in Capcut. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Capcut and create a new project. After that, import your footage and drag and drop on your timeline. And after that, if you want, you can make some necessary adjustments. And now I'm going to add a text above it, and we are going to track this text according to the footage. So simply add the text box, write in something, and after that just select the text, and now from the right side menu select tracking and click on motion tracking. Then simply click on start and Capcut will automatically adjust the text according to the video. And here you can see that the tracking is successful, and that's how it looks. Now I know it's not that good because it's a new feature in Capcut and most probably it will be improved after few updates. Anyway, so this is basically how you can use motion tracking in Capcut. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.